Greetings! Today, I'd like to show you how to clean your makeup using Grimas products. For removing eye makeup, I use Grimas Cleansing Lotion because it is devoid of oil or any irritation and is not harmful to the eyes. First, we gently remove the eyelashes. Then, pour some cleansing lotion on the cotton pad and clean around the eyes. For cleaning the lash roots, we use a soaked Q-tip in cleansing lotion. Due to our model's type of skin, which is dry, we use makeup remover which has an oily base to clean the makeup. Facial tissue direction is to be considered when cleaning to avoid skin sagginess. For lips, we use cleansing lotion or makeup remover. Our model's lips are of the dry type, so I use makeup remover and wait for a moment. Then, I clean the moist and finalize it by cleansing lotion to get the oil and reach complete skin balance. To nourish the skin, we apply skin cream after cleansing, then gently massage it. By doing this, we prepare the skin for the next makeup. All three products are recommended for models and brides to have a well-prepared skin for makeup.